Hawks, fascinating creatures, aren't they? Unveiling 3 surprising facts about these raptors, you'll be amazed. First, did you know hawks can spot a mouse from 2 miles away? With eyesight 8 times sharper than humans, they're the ultimate hunters from the sky. Second, hawks mate for life. They build nests together, hunt together, and raise their young together. Quite romantic, right? Lastly, hawks have an impressive lifespan. In the wild, they can live up to 20 years. But in captivity, they can live up to 50 years. There you have it, 3 little-known facts about hawks. Fascinating, right? Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the animal kingdom.